live from EMC World 2014. ITN wants to show you how we handle access control for sessions. This has been a challenge for corporate events for as many years as we can think of, and there were two ways of doing it in the past. You could either just let everybody go into the session and then use a clicker, or you could simply just use a laptop with a reader connected to your database, and then based on the read you could go back to the central server and define whether somebody was allowed to go in or not. What we do is we use mobile technology linked with NFC to actually take care of that. So the whole premise is based on the fact that we're using a connected device and that we're going to be using the NFC interface to actually read a badge. So what we did is we developed an application called ITN Access. So I'm going to show you how ITN Access works. Basically, it has a certain number of features on it. It will display the room, it will display the name of the session, and basically we know that we're now collecting data for that session and as things are getting scanned. We do have some features that can be operated where we actually have a capacity control, where we can actually do all kinds of things. Obviously, when you go into a set session, so tap in the code, then put the thing, and then you can change room, and then you can basically select a room, and based on the room, it will determine what the sessions are that are available for that time slot, and there is how you set up a system. Now, we have designed the application to automatically roll over from one session time to the next based on just the time and date that the machine has been set. So it's a very, very simple system. Once again, you go in, as you can see in the back, we have the people doing it and using it as well. But basically, you just take the phone, bring it to the device, and as you can see, it's really fast. And then obviously, if a badge is not allowed entrance, it will actually display access denied. Very simple system, very simple to deploy because it does not need an internet connection. It is very inexpensive to deploy one of the solutions. You have a room monitor that is operating the device. We train them for about an hour before the show starts, and that's about it. So it's a very, very efficient way of doing access control. Another innovation by IT International at EMC 2014.